Hello, dear students. Today, let us understand the difference between the attitudes of Sahib Alam and Mukesh. Both Sahib Alam and Mukesh are children from poor families. One is from the family of rag pickers, and the other is from the family of bangle makers. Though both of them are poor, their attitudes are different. Of how does this attitude develop? We can understand by thinking that rag picking and bangle making both are two different things. Rag picking is picking something that is thrown down. Bangle making is an industry. Though rag picking also is an economic activity for the poor people, but Sahib Alam says that he sometimes find 1 rupee and sometimes even 10 rupee or a 1 rupee note or 10 rupee note in the rags. Now when a boy, Anish Jung says that when a boy finds 1 rupee or 10 rupee, he wonders how much can he get that way. So rag picking has generated in Sahib Alam something that may come by lot, by luck. Luck could give him something. He was picking rags and he could find something. What could he find? He did not know what could he find. So he was not basing himself so much on his industry, on his efforts. Rather, he was basing more upon luck to get something special in the rags. Opposite to it, Mukesh is industrious. And this is not only because things have shaped them like that. There may be something instinctive too. Because we don't find Mukesh interested in bangle making. He wants to drive a car. He is fascinated by the cars that come hurtling there on the streets of Firozabad. He wants to drive a car. Now, born in the family of bangle makers, the normal occupation that he was going to have is to work in the bangle making factories. But that is not what he wants to do. He wants to drive a car, and he is a daring person. He dares to do something different from what all the children, all the bangle makers were doing. So he wants to do something different, and he wants to drive a car. And for driving a car, he could do the thing by becoming a driver. But being a driver, he would be in the service of someone, working under someone. He rather wants to remain independent. He wants to be a motor mechanic. Being a motor mechanic, he would get opportunities to drive a car. To find out whether it had some problem or not. So, as a motor mechanic, He would fulfill his desire for driving a car, and at the same time he would remain independent also. He would be his own master. He won't be working under someone. Whereas Sahib-e-Alam, though his name was Sahib-e-Alam, that meant the Lord of the universe. On the other, at the place of being the Lord of the universe, what does he do? He does not remain even his own master. He becomes a servant at a tea stall owner. So he is working at the tea stall and he is getting all his meals and a certain sum of salary. That is not very handsome, but it is there. And he is now carrying the canister of milk on his shoulders. There is a difference between the attitudes of both of them. For Sahib-e-Alam, whatever Lord gave him, he accepted, and he became a servant to others. Whereas Mukesh insists upon realizing his own dream of driving a car by learning how to become a motor mechanic. He knows that he is poor enough to buy a car, but he won't be a driver and working under someone. He would become a motor mechanic, and being a motor mechanic, he would drive cars occasionally. That is what he thinks. Alright, this is how the two are different. Mukesh wants to be his own master. Well, thank you.